Go.
Alright, so last video I just broke some knowledge about penny stocks, and one of the truths about whenever you see your penny stock going up 300%, is it truly going up 300% or is it just a reverse split? So what I want to do in the second part of this video is go ahead and break down the numbers for you just to show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so 12,000 shares is what you purchased at 50 cents per share. Alright, how much money did you spend? And for all my mathematicians out there, you can check my math. But that's 6,000 bucks. Whenever that reverse split happened, and you did a reverse split of 3, and you didn't even realize that you only have the 4,000 shares. All right, 4,000 shares, and you now priced at $1.50. How much do you have right now? And it says right here, it says 300% gain on the day. 300% gain on a day does not mean that that's your account. It means that the stock went up 300% because it can't decipher if it was a reverse split or if it was just naturally turned into $1.50. How much money do you have in your account now? Let's do the math. 4,000, $1.50. Putting it in perspective, you have $6,000. $6,000, $6,000, it's the same math. Okay? So what's going to happen is people that don't know any better are already going to be selling this. Or you might even have triggers that tells you to sell when it goes above $1. Or you might have a trigger that tells you to sell if it goes above $1.20 or something like that. And all those people sell. Now this $1.50 that is per share has went down.
You should probably do it up for color.
Huh?
Probably do green. This is after
everybody's seen that 300% gain, and it goes $1.25 per share. Somebody pull out a phone real quick. Let's do some math. You have 4,000 shares. Remember? So for all the students out there that are killing it, avoid these traps. Okay, these are definitely some traps you can fall. You can come into. Sorry, you said what did you get?
4,000
times $1.25
times 1.25. 5,000.
You just lost $1,000. Easy.
Easy.
That's what I'm talking about, guys. When I'm talking about looking and making sure that you know how to read those 8K reports. I showed you how to read those. Definitely check that video out. Subscribe to us to get more details about these things, okay? At Millionaires, we're not trying to swindle you or do anything like that. I want to be able to educate you guys on what's really going on in the stock market. It's not that hard. Once you realize that the 300% gain on the day for this particular penny stock, just to get itself back in the black and be a New York Stock Exchange stock, does not necessarily mean that you made money. And a lot of people don't even look at the shares. A lot of people don't look at shares. I'm going to say that I was one of those people. I thought one day I had a 500% gain, and I was like, man, I'm in there. I sold my stocks. I was one of those people that it went to $3. It was a $3 something bid or something like that, and it went down to $2.10. You know how much money I lost that day? I lost about 4,500 bucks. Loss. We'll put that in parentheses because that's a loss. They're out there. SEC can't just say, hey, this did a reverse split today. No, you have to know this knowledge about the companies you invest in. It's more than just pressing a button about buying or selling. You actually need to know a little bit more information about reading those SEC filings. All right? I hope this explained a little bit better in detail what I was talking about in the prior video. And the next video you hopefully be checking out is my 8K video, which should be in a box right down here in the corner. All right, see you guys later.